Hey there, homeowner. Ever found yourself staring at a pile of insurance paperwork, feeling like you're drowning in a sea of legal jargon? Yeah, dealing with home insurance claims on your own can be a nightmare. Let me break it down for you. Managing a home insurance claim might seem like a good way to save some cash, and trust me, the potential pitfalls are huge. First off, there's the expertise factor. Unless you're an insurance whiz, you're likely to miss out on key details that could affect your claim. These fine print items are sneaky, and without proper knowledge, you could end up with way less than you deserve. Then, there's the time commitment. Think about it, sifting through documents, making endless phone calls and going back and forth with your insurance adjuster. It's practically a part-time job. And let's be real, you've got better things to do. Let's not forget the emotional stress. Well, your home is your sanctuary, and dealing with damage is already tough. Adding a complex claims process on top of that, it's a recipe for burnout. And here's a kicker, you might underestimate the actual damage. This leads to lower settlements, leaving you to cover the shortfall. And if you think that's bad, imagine getting your claim denied. It happens more often than you think. One wrong move, and boom, you're out of luck. Plus, negotiating with insurance companies is no walk in the park. They've got teams of professionals on their side. Do you really want to face them alone? But here's the silver lining. Hiring a professional to handle your claim can make all the difference. These experts know the ins and outs of the process. They can ensure that everything is done correctly, maximizing your settlement. Picture this. Instead of stressing over forms and phone calls, you're focusing on getting your life back to normal. Less stress, more peace of mind. And in the long run, professional help can actually save you money. Think about it. A higher settlement means more cash to cover your repairs. So next time you're faced with an insurance claim, don't go it alone. Trust the experts to handle it for you. You'll save time, reduce stress, and most importantly, ensure that you get what you're rightfully owed. Thanks for watching. Remember, your peace of mind is worth the investment. Until next time, take care.